Greetings to all my friends. My name is Faiz Ahmed and this is my web scraping portfolio. Now I want to scrape courses, titles and their links from all of these subjects. I have written a Python script for this work and I can run this many times whenever I want. And to run this, I open my terminal or CMD, give it a parameter and my subject name which I want to scrape. I can also write other subjects name like mathematics or arts and design. I can also scrape the whole subjects at once, but for showing you its efficiency I am just starting the programming subject for scraping. I want all my data into a CSV file. I will give it a file name and a CSV extension. And let's start it by hitting enter. Okay, our scraping is done and you can see there is a CSV file and we have our data of courses names and their links. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.